sip of coffee. You always got to have a drink with you. Learned that from BK Scents. He chooses scotch. I choose coffee. Depends on the time of day. Might be a beer later. Alright, here we go. So, we got our oak moss taken down to 10%. Give it a nice shaky shaky. Oh yeah, baby. Alright. That's just a clean empty. These are both clean and empty, all three. Was going to dilute some more materials, but I guess we're only doing a couple. So, guess I need to order some Perfumer's alcohol. Alright. Just going to check my scale to make sure it's... Dang, that's a little late. I'll do it anyway. Should have calibrated that a long time ago. It's off by point. Yeah, not much. But we're going to calibrate it real quick. Just going to hold the calibrate button. Wait till it flashes 200. Put your 200 gram weight. Wait for it to read 0 or 200. Okay, now we can remove weight. And we are calibrated. Alright. We're going to give over our little paper towels here. I don't know, this is how I do it. So put my beakers on, that way I don't got to use so many beakers. I mean, not beakers, pipettes. Okay, I got oversized gloves here. They're extra large. Should have got large. But hey, they were on sale. Can't complain. Here we go. So the materials I'm going to be using today are ISO E Super at a 20%. I have a white musk accord that I got from either Creating Perfumes or Perfumer's Apprentice. Don't remember which one it was. Those are the only two sites I've really ever ordered from, but I like it. I like them both. Okay, and we got our oak moss 10%. So I'm going to put these ones back with my other oak moss, which I have nicely alphabetized on my nice wood shelf here. I don't know why I have... whatever. I consider oak moss a wood. Don't know why. Don't ask. It's just where I have it. But let me know where you keep it in the comments below. Oh, and while we're on it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, baby. Smash those like buttons. Smash the that little bell thing. Yeah, baby. Here we go. All right. Which one did I leave off on? Okay. So the white musk accord. That was the last one I said we were using. I'm using that one at a 20%. I switched that out with the tonalide last night. Don't know which one I like better yet because I don't know. It's too hard to tell too soon. I gotta wait a while. I don't know. They say you're supposed to wait like a week before you even test your or smell your blends. But I'm too impatient, so I usually smell them like right after I make them just to get an initial impression of what's going on. Just because I'm such a beginner that I don't know. I ain't got time to wait 7 days just to smell something to figure out what's going on because I'll probably forget by that time anyway. In my opinion, at least. That's what some people told me on base notes. I asked some questions and people were just like, well, I don't know, as a beginner, just start making a bunch of trial blends and yeah, let them macerate or whatever it's called. But don't stress it too much. You want to at least smell it a little bit, so whatever. And that's why I'm making it, because I like to smell stuff, right? So here we go. Let me get a script out of the way that I'm not using. Since we're freestyling today. I listen to rap and hey, they do that a lot. But music changed, taste has changed over time. Okay, I'm rambling. Back to perfumery. Here we go. Okay. So I've listed the white musk. Now we also have Hedione as well at a 20%. That's just regular Hedione, not Hedione HC. I honestly don't even know the difference yet. I've used them both. I know one smells a little more in my opinion. The Hedione HC, I think, smells a little more. The Hedione's, I don't know, very light. Methylenone Gamma. I'm using that at a 10%. And to me, it's real strong. You can smell it at real low amounts, even to me. So I'm only adding like 1 drop at 10% just to, I don't know, like, I think it adds lift to a fragrance, in my opinion. Oh yeah, that's the oak moss. Okay, get rid of that. That's dirty. Now my glove's dirty. Okay. Got all of our paper towels ready. I'll set that one here just in case. Put this away. Switch my gloves back to a fresh pair since I just contaminated them on accident. Alright. And yeah, the rest of the materials. Here we go. Alright, going down the line. ISO E Super, 20%. White Musk Accord, 20%. Hedione, 20%. Methylenone Gamma, 10%. Mimosa Olescence, 20%. Amber Accord, BK, 10%. So that's an Amber Accord that I made from watching BK Scents videos. You can find that on his channel. Great perfumer to watch. I started because of BK. I watched one of his videos and him and Sam Macer, and they recommended a bunch of materials. And then looking at Jean-Claude Elena's, I read the Perfume Alchemy Ascent and went through his material list and started stocking up on whatever I could afford. And yeah, we're getting a decent little collection going. I've just started. So welcome to my channel. I should have done this a long time ago. I just started perfuming. Let's see, probably March of this year, 2021. So yeah, not more than a year under my belt, and I work on a fishing boat. So I can only really perfume for a couple months at a time. But when I do, I like to try and pump out as much as I can. Yeah, I really like it. Have a good time. But yeah, I'm learning a lot because I make a lot of mistakes. And if you're not learning from mistakes, you're not learning. So, alright, here we go. I ordered a bunch of these little trial bottles. Real sweet. I got them for like 12 bucks on Amazon or something. And it's like, I don't know how many are in here. Probably 100 or something. 3 ml bottles. And yeah, I stock up my little thing every morning. I think my gloves are clean. Yeah, just put them on. Okay, so we're going to restock our deal. You never want to put dirty gloves into a clean bag full of things here. It's a good way to cross-contaminate your stuff. And as a cook, I'm really conscious about not cross-contaminating my vials, because that's a lot of money you could waste accidentally. So just pay attention to what you're doing. I'm sure if you're watching this, you're probably not a beginner. Maybe you are. I know I'm a real beginner, and any other beginners out there, I notice that there's just not much content for us. So